Namaste everyone. In today's video, I wanted to share with you how to become a love magnet. So many people talk about wanting love in their life or wanting a specific person in their life. And I wanted to share with you some law of attraction techniques that you should be practicing to actually manifest this in your life. My name is Priya. I'm very passionate about sharing positivity and empowering people to live their life to their fullest potential. We're all divine beings and we have the capability to create our life the way we want it. So let's make it beautiful together. Let's dive in. So today's topic was something I was thinking about, but I'm not so much into, I know like a lot of people are like chasing love. I shouldn't say a lot of people, but at least those are the ones that we get attention to. So people are chasing love, or they want some specific person in their life. Especially those videos that talks about bringing back their ex and stuff like that. I'm not really a big fan of that. I feel like, you need to learn to let go and realize what's for you, and you keep growing, you keep moving. But I'm not judging, because at the end of the day, like, it's all about what you want and how you feel about it. So you do what works best for you. But in terms of thinking about law of attraction, I feel like when you're chasing someone, even mentally, not just physically, but mentally, when you're obsessed about who you want in your life, or when you're obsessed about wanting love and not wanting to be alone and stuff like that, you're actually creating a negative vibration around you. Because especially when you lack something, it's basically a lack vibration rather than abundance vibration. So when you don't have an abundance vibration, you're not attracting abundance in your life. Therefore, you're not attracting pretty much anything in your life other than some negativity. The same cycle of going through bad relationships, or same cycle of going through the lack of anything you are lacking in your life. So instead of thinking about, okay, I need to attract somebody in my life, or I need to attract love in my life, you have to learn to actually become that. So when you become whatever you want to be attracting, then that's how law of attraction works. The science behind law of attraction is like, it's all about vibrations. What type of vibrations are you in this moment? Ask yourself that. If you are in the lack vibration, then you're probably attracting more of that. You're being, you have this negativity around you. You're always feeling sorry for yourself, or you feel like things are not working out for you. Then that's what you're going to be attracting. Things are not going to be working out for you. So instead of doing that, you have to put yourself into the love magnet, the love vibration. Put yourself into that. And how do you do that? Is you become what you want. So if you want love in your life, then you become that loving person. Whatever characteristic or personality, the type of person you want in your life, you actually become that yourself. When you become that, you will be exactly attracting that. So how do you do that? Is basically first reflect exactly what you want in your life. Because a lot of people are not clear about what they want. They just randomly say, oh, I want someone pretty, or I want someone handsome. And then they don't actually look into what would work for them in their life, what their long-term goal is. So they don't think too deeply into it. So instead of just randomly wanting things and confusing the universe of exactly what you want, actually reflect on what you want in your life. And then once you know exactly what you want in your life, work on becoming that. And how do you do that? Is basically become that love vibration. And how do you become that love vibration? What's the best thing you can do is basically love yourself. A lot of people, and I keep saying a lot of people, it might be not a lot of people, but most of us don't realize, when I say self-love, most people will be like, of course I love myself, or, of course I think I'm worthy. But it's not just about thinking in one moment of being that you're worthy or loving yourself. It's being in that vibration consistently throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month, throughout the year. You need to be in that vibration all the time to be able to attract that in your life. What you need to realize is that we are all divine being. There's that oneness and we're being of love. So love is important in our life. But becoming that love, being that love ourselves, being every aspect of that love ourselves is more important than chasing love or looking for that something in someone else. Because at the end of the day, we all have our own purpose. So you are enough. You have to tell yourself that. Tell yourself that right now, that I am enough. You don't need to rely or depend on anyone. It's important to have love and share love and have the bonding. But at the end of the day, you are enough. Okay, so tell yourself that. When you say you are enough, and then you start to appreciate yourself. There's a saying that I heard recently: when you start appreciating, it appreciates. So if you start appreciating yourself, then when I'm saying appreciate, I mean the value will appreciate, go up. So when you start appreciating yourself, your value will go up as well. So what you need to do is start appreciating yourself. Love yourself for who you are. And sometimes even I'm human as well, and I have those ups and downs where sometimes I don't like the way I look, or I don't like the way I feel, and so that's why it's good to surround yourself with the positive people. Like even recently my cousin sent me a message from on Instagram, mentioning that your body has been carrying you all this time, so you have to appreciate your body for what it is, instead of saying, oh, I need to lose weight, or I need to do that. Like, yeah, you need to work on whatever you feel comfortable or want to get to that comfortable level, and get into the shape that you want to be. But you also need to not be hard on yourself. You also need to learn to appreciate yourself. So one thing I wanted to share with you is go every day, go in front of the mirror, especially the first thing in the morning. It's a really nice way to start your morning. Go in front of the mirror and tell yourself, look at yourself in the mirror and actually appreciate yourself, and share some love. Just look at yourself in the mirror and say, I love you, and say, you are beautiful, you are confident, you are enough, you are a creator. Say all the affirmations you need to, but look at yourself in the mirror and start saying that. And once you start practicing every day, when you start doing that every single day, you actually would become that love vibration. You would actually, you'll have that light within you that vibrates love, that vibrates passion, that vibrates happiness. And what happens when you vibrate all these positive things, you'll be attracting more of that in your life. And that's the best way to attract the love or anything that you want to manifest in your life by becoming that. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please share this video with others. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification button. I'm very determined to creating weekly videos for you guys to empower you to live your life to the best version of you. Until then, namaste.